Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today I will be reviewing a car duster. This is actually a car duster available online. It is SMS car duster which I have procured from Amazon, and I have received this particular duster just yesterday, and I will be reviewing this duster, how it cleans efficiently your car dust. Normally a car duster usage is a must, because before washing a car, you see there are several dust particles above your car body. There may be road grime, there may be dust. Those who are living in coastal areas will have sand particles. So using a duster is a must, so that you don't get any scratches while you wash or buff your car. So for that reason, you need to purchase a good quality duster. This is the SMS car duster which I have procured from Amazon, and this is practically a microfiber type duster. There is an extension handle with this particular duster. Let me attach it, and they are providing a mini duster free with this particular product, which is very handy for dusting inside your car. Let me attach the handle and let's see how it works. So this is how the handle is. There is a soft grip over here, and let me dust the car. Okay, it's dusting fine. So it's dusting fine, you can see. And the advantage of this particular duster is it's very light. And I will compare it with my previous Jopasu. Let me bring that out also. This is my earlier Jopasu duster. This is also a very good duster, but the only problem is this is actually a cotton based duster soaked in wax. This is washable, and this particular duster is now 3 years old and it has lost its wax properties. I have rejuvenated it with wax twice or thrice, but now it requires a replacement, and I was looking for a duster that is light in weight. This particular duster is very heavy, so if you prolong your work time, so it becomes a little bit heavier on your hand. But this duster is very light, and we'll see how this compares with this particular duster. This portion I will be cleaning with this Jopasu, and this portion I will be cleaning with this particular duster. So both the dusters are working efficiently. It's not that it's superior. So this duster is also working very fine, and the advantage is it's very light, and you see it's dusting very efficiently. So I have removed dust from the entire car with this particular duster. So I recommend this duster, this SMS duster. Those who are willing a good quality microfiber duster, those who are looking for a good quality microfiber duster, this is a very good one, and you can easily buy it from the internet, and it's very soft, so it won't scratch or make any soil marks while you dust your car. And let's demonstrate the smaller one. This is the brand. Okay, and let's demonstrate the small one. This is how the smaller duster works, and it's very good. It's very handy for dusting your inside of your car, where a bigger duster will be difficult for you to work. So that's a short review, quick review of this particular car duster. And if you find this video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much, and goodbye.